Coach, you just took your final walk with your sons. I can see you're getting emotional. What brings up the emotions?
The journey. The journey. It's been a tremendous, tumultuous journey. We're making it. I'm sorry, this is tough. This is tough.
You told us yesterday that you can envision the journey. What are the things you're envisioning right now?
I'm seeing when they first put on uniforms, when they first started. When I first started coaching them. The good, the bad, the indifference, the ups and downs. It's the journey. It's been a heck of a journey. And I'm thankful and I'm appreciative. I really am. Thank God for it. I gotta get it together. I gotta coach. I gotta get it together.